Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recall an email in Gmail. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to gmail.com and then log into your account. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, so for example, let's compose an email and enter an email address. Alright, so this is our email address. So for example, I'm just going to send a email over here. Alright, so here if you hit send, you will get an 5-second recall time. So in this 5 seconds, if you decide to undo the email, it will recall that email and your email will be unsent. So this is the only method that you can use to recall an email in Gmail. However, there is one method by which you can increase the time for which you can recall the email. So to enable that, what you can do is on the right hand side you can see the settings icon. All you have to do is click over here and now click on see all settings. Alright, so once you are here, what you have to do is scroll down and here you can see the option for undo send. So here you can see the send cancellation period is set to 5 seconds. So what you can do is increase this amount to up to 30 seconds. So this is the maximum amount of time that you can get to recall an email. So I'm just going to select this, and once you have done that, what you have to do is scroll down until the end, and here you can see the option for save changes. So all you have to do is click on save changes. Alright, so let's test if it is working or not. So I'm just going to compose another email. Alright, so here you can see our message. We can undo it for up to 30 seconds. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to recall an email in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.